High in the northwest corner of Pakistan lies Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This province, once known as the Northwest Frontier Province, is a land of rugged beauty. It is a place where towering mountains meet fertile valleys. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is home to a diverse population of over 35 million people. They are known for their hospitality and resilience. The province covers an area of over 74,000 square kilometers. It is a land of ancient history and vibrant culture. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has long been a crossroads of civilizations. The legendary Khyber Pass winds its way through the province. This pass has been a vital trade route for centuries. It connects South Asia to Central Asia. Today, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is a province on the move. It is striving to balance its rich traditions with the demands of the modern world. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is a land of dramatic contrasts. Towering mountains dominate the landscape. These peaks are often capped with snow, even in the summer months. The Hindu Kush, the Karakoram, and the Himalayas all converge in this region. They create a breathtaking panorama. But nestled among these peaks are fertile valleys. These valleys are watered by mighty rivers. The Indus River, the lifeblood of Pakistan, flows through the province. The climate of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is as varied as its landscape. The province is divided into two distinct zones. The northern zone experiences long, harsh winters. Snowfall is common and temperatures can plummet below freezing. Summers are short and mild. The southern zone has a milder climate. Winters are short and cool, while summers are long and hot. This diverse climate supports a wide variety of plant and animal life. Among the towering peaks of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa lie hidden gems. These are the valleys, each more breathtaking than the last. Kumrat Valley, with its lush green meadows, is a sight to behold. Crystal-clear streams meander through the valley floor. The air is filled with the sound of birdsong. Swat Valley, once known as the Switzerland of the East, is a paradise for nature lovers. Its snow-capped peaks, alpine forests, and sparkling lakes draw visitors from around the world. Chitral Valley, located in the far north of the province, is a land of ancient traditions and stunning scenery. The Kalash people, with their unique culture and colorful festivals, call this valley home. Kalash Valley, nestled high in the mountains, is a land of timeless beauty. Its wooden houses perched precariously on the slopes seem to blend into the landscape. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is blessed with an abundance of natural beauty. Recognizing the importance of protecting this heritage, the government has established several national parks. These parks serve as sanctuaries for wildlife. They also offer visitors the chance to experience the wonders of nature firsthand. Sheikh Badin National Park, located in the Himalayan foothills, is a prime example. This park is home to a variety of animals, including the endangered western tragopan. The parks play a crucial role in conservation. They protect endangered species. They also help to preserve the delicate balance of the ecosystem. But these parks are more than just protected areas. They are also places of education and recreation. Visitors can hike through pristine forests, they can camp under the stars, and they can learn about the importance of conservation. Section 5. A Tapestry of Life. From the snow-capped peaks to the fertile valleys, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa teems with life. This region, with its breathtaking landscapes, is a testament to nature's grandeur and diversity. The province is home to a remarkable diversity of flora and fauna. Each corner of this land tells a story of survival and adaptation. In the higher elevations, coniferous forests dominate the landscape. These forests are a vital part of the ecosystem, providing shelter and sustenance to countless species. Pines, firs, and cedars stand tall against the rugged terrain. Their presence is a reminder of the resilience of nature. These forests provide habitat for a variety of animals. The elusive snow leopard, the Himalayan brown bear, and many other creatures find refuge here. The musk deer, with its graceful movements, also makes its home here. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this delicate ecosystem. Lower down, the forests give way to scrubland and grasslands. These transitional zones are equally important, supporting a different array of life forms. Here you can find wild sheep and goats grazing on the slopes. Their presence is a testament to the adaptability of life in varying terrains. The skies are home to a variety of birds of prey. These majestic birds are the rulers of the skies, ever watchful and vigilant. Golden eagles soar overhead, their keen eyes scanning the ground for prey. Their flight is a symbol of freedom and power. The rivers and streams of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa are also teeming with life. These water bodies are the lifeblood of the region, nurturing both flora and fauna. Trout and other fish species thrive in these waters. The clear, cold rivers provide an ideal habitat for these aquatic creatures, completing the tapestry of life in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Section 6. Echoes of the past. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is steeped in history, a land where the past and present intertwine seamlessly. For centuries, this region has been a crossroads of cultures and civilizations, a melting pot where diverse traditions have coexisted and thrived. The ancient Silk Road, which connected the east to the west, passed through this province, bringing with it a wealth of knowledge, trade, and cultural exchange. Evidence of this rich past can be found throughout Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in its numerous archaeological sites and ancient relics. Ancient Buddhist stupas and monasteries dot the landscape, each telling a story of spiritual devotion and architectural brilliance. These structures serve as reminders of a time when Buddhism flourished in this region, leaving behind a legacy of peace and enlightenment. The province is also home to numerous forts and palaces, each with its own unique history and architectural style. These structures stand as testaments to the region's turbulent past, bearing witness to the rise and fall of empires. They tell stories of battles fought and empires lost and won, echoing the bravery and resilience of those who lived here. But history in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is not just about ancient monuments, it is also about the vibrant, living traditions of its people. It is also about the living traditions of the people, who continue to practice their age-old customs and crafts with pride. The Pashtuns, the dominant ethnic group in the province, have a rich culture and heritage that is deeply rooted in their history. Their traditions of hospitality, honor, and courage are deeply ingrained in their way of life, making Khyber Pakhtunkhwa a region where the past is always present. Section 7. The heartbeat of the province. The economy of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is as diverse as its landscape. Agriculture has long been the backbone of the province. The fertile valleys produce a variety of crops. Wheat, maize and rice are staple crops. Fruits and vegetables are also grown in abundance. Forestry is another important economic activity. The province's forests provide timber for construction and other industries. Mining is also a significant contributor to the economy. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is rich in mineral resources. These include marble, granite and gemstones. Tourism is a growing sector of the economy. The province's natural beauty, rich culture and historical significance attract visitors from Pakistan and abroad. The government is investing in infrastructure and promoting tourism to tap into this potential. Section 8. Preserving paradise. The natural beauty of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa faces numerous challenges. Deforestation, pollution and climate change all pose threats to the delicate ecosystem. However, there is hope. The government, along with local communities and NGOs, is working to address these issues. Environmental initiatives are underway to promote sustainable practices. Efforts are being made to conserve water resources and reduce pollution. Renewable energy sources, such as hydropower, are being explored. Communities are being educated about the importance of environmental stewardship. By working together, there is hope that the natural beauty of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa can be preserved for generations to come. Section 9. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, a land of promise. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is a land of contrasts and contradictions, where the ancient and the modern blend seamlessly. It is a place where towering mountains meet fertile valleys, creating a landscape that is both dramatic and serene. Here, ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations, reflecting a society that honors its past while looking forward to the future. It is a land of immense beauty, rich culture and warm hospitality, where every visitor is greeted with open arms and a welcoming smile. The province faces challenges, but its people are resilient and determined to build a better future, working tirelessly to overcome obstacles. With its untapped potential in tourism, agriculture and other sectors, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is poised for growth, ready to embrace new opportunities. As the sun sets over the peaks of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, casting long shadows across the valleys, the landscape transforms into a canvas of colors. One cannot help but feel a sense of awe and wonder, standing in the presence of such natural splendor. This is a land that has captivated travelers and adventurers for centuries, drawing them with its promise of discovery and adventure. It is a land of endless possibilities, where every journey is a new story waiting to be told. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the land of the brave and the beautiful, beckons you to explore its untamed beauty and experience its rich cultural tapestry, inviting you to become a part of its ongoing story.